Greetings from NVPS Academy. Previous class we discussed about the sets. So introduction of the sets, later types of the sets we have taken. Today we are going to discuss about operation on sets. Operation on sets. Here we are considering three types of the operations. One is union, second one is intersection, and third one is difference. Union. If A and B are any two non-empty sets, then all elements in A and B together can be taken as a union of the sets. For example, A equal to set 1, 2, 3, B equal to set A, B, C. Union, it is denoted with the symbol like this. Okay. Then finally A union B is equal to, we are going to take it together of all these elements in A and B. That is set 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. So this is the union operation. Next, the second one is intersection. If A and B are any two non-empty sets, then common elements of the two sets is called intersection of the sets. Let us consider set P is equal 4, 5, 6, 7. Set Q is equal 6, 7, 8, 9. So intersection, we are denoting the symbol with this. This is intersection. So P intersection Q is equal to set. So what are the common elements in P and Q? 6 and 7. So here 4 is not available, 5 is not available, 6 is here and here, 7 is here and here. So 8 is not there and 9 also not there. So common elements 6, 7. So this is the intersection operation. Next, difference of the sets. Difference. Difference. If we consider any two non-empty sets, after removing common elements in a first set, the remaining elements of the first set is nothing but difference of the set. For example, let us consider set A 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. B equal to 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we are going to take a difference. A minus B, that is equal. So we are going to remove common elements. So here common elements are 12, 13 and 14. We are removing these three. After removing these common elements, remaining elements of A is nothing but A minus B. That is 10, 11. 10, 11. Again we are going to take a difference between B and A. B minus A is equal. Here we are removing common elements in B, from B to A. Then remaining elements of B. So 15 will come. Singleton 15 will come. So always we have to remember one thing here. A minus B is not equal to B minus A. So this is the operation on sets. Next, we are going to consider here Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams on sets. Venn diagram. Venn diagrams. So here I want to take A union B Venn diagram. So consider here A and B. It is A and it is B. A union B. We are going to shade two regions. So this is A union B. Next, A intersection B. So common region we are going to shade here. So A intersection B. Already we know about that. The common elements in A and B is nothing but the intersection of those two sets. And also we are going to show in the Venn diagram the common region should be shaded. Next, A minus B. So after removing common region and elements of B, then remaining part of the A. We are removing this common region and also B, then remaining part of the A. We are going to shade only A. We are excluding common region and also B. Next, B minus A. We are removing A and common part of the A and B. Then we are going to get B minus A. These are the Venn diagrams for the sets. Next we are going to take cardinality of the sets. Cardinal number. Cardinal is nothing but magnitude. Number of. Cardinal means number of. Cardinal of the set. Cardinal number of the set. Number of elements present in the set. Cardinal number of the sets. Cardinal means number of. Number of elements present in the set is nothing but cardinal number of the set. For example, I want to take here set A is equal A comma B comma C comma E comma D. So how many elements are presented here? 5 elements. So cardinal number of set A can be taken as n of A is equal 5. That is the cardinal number of this set. Next, B is equal 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7. Then what is the cardinal number of this set? 7. How many elements are present in this? 7. Then we are going to represent the cardinal number of B as n of B is equal to 7. In this we have two types of the formulae. Those are n of A union B is equal n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Okay. Next, if A and B are disjoint sets, that means there are no common elements in A and B. Then we are going to take this one as A union B is equal n of A plus n of B minus 0. Why? There are no common elements. So that's why the value of the cardinal number of A intersection B is 0. And also, if we consider 3 sets, then what is the formula for that? Number of A union B union C, 3 sets we are considering, that is equal n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of A intersection C minus n of B intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. So this is about the cardinality of the sets. So these are the simple explanation about the operation of the sets, Venn diagrams of the sets, cardinality of the sets. Thank you.